So I wasn't even planning on making this video, but I'm just so shook right now, like in a great way. I decided to use a new product on my wash and go, and like I said, I'm shook. Results are taking me out, taking me down. So I decided to hop in front of the camera so I can show you guys what the product is. So yeah.
Like, do y'all see this? Like, impeccable definition, shine. Like, I don't see any frizz. Each curl is like super defined, and some of these curls don't even really be curling like that. Like with other gels, even my favorite gel, which is the Eco Styler Jamaican Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Gel, it don't do this.
But I guess I'll go ahead and tell y'all or whatever. It is the Cantu Shea Butter Maximum Hold Moisture Retention Styling Gel with black seed and olive oil. The first person that I saw use this was I'm so terrible with names. Raina. Happy girl. And it looked amazing on her hair, and I was kind of slow to pick it up. There's 3 different ones. This is the only one that I've tried so far, but this just might be a staple. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish my hair and see what it's looking like. Oh, and I forgot to mention that underneath this I use my Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is always what I use. I don't know why, it just moisturizes my hair, and when I don't use it, my hair is super dry. So I haven't found anything to replace it. So yeah, that's what I'm using for that. So this is the final result of that wash and go. That product is bomb, and I didn't even use a lot of it. Hold up, let me go get it so I can show you guys how much I used. So this is the jar, and I only used like a little glob right here. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it's like still right here, and a little bit went a long way. And I fluffed my hair to death. Like on day one, I want my hair to be big. I want it to have volume. I don't like my hair to be like super small, and I fluffed it out, and I still have some definition. My hair feels soft, it's not crunchy. Anything that I could ever ask for in a gel, this is it. I would actually put this above my Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel just because it has a little bit more hold. Sometimes when I use the like my Holy Grail product, it doesn't really last as long. So I'm going to see how long it lasts, but I have a feeling that this is going to last longer because it had more of a hold without drying my hair completely out. So if you guys have tried this product, let me know what your experiences was down in the comment box. And if you haven't tried it yet and you want to try it after this, let me know that as well. But I think that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.